Ninja Smart Double Oven with FlexDoor review. Ninja Smart Double Oven with FlexDoor is an efficient and easy-to-use oven that can easily take the place of multiple gadgets in one. Better yet, it can perform multiple functions at the same time, using different time, temperature, and techniques. We love the fact that this oven can air fry a bag of frozen French fries to perfection while simultaneously heating up a frozen pizza. The smart design makes it easy to use, and we found that it delivered perfect results every time. However, it's important to keep in mind that this isn't a portable machine, it's a large oven that takes up a good amount of space on your countertop. If you have the space to spare and want to eliminate multiple individual gadgets, like an air fryer, toaster, and dehydrator, this oven is a great way to do it. Side-by-side cooking. The best feature of this oven is the smart finish. This was how I could roast chicken in the bottom oven and vegetables in the top, and have them finish cooking at the same time. The oven will begin cooking one part of the meal, while having a delayed start for the food that requires less time. Once the finishing times are in sync, the oven starts to cook the food that was on hold. The syncing of the two ovens essentially freed up my time as I prepped everything, loaded the oven, set up the temperatures, and walked away. Another neat thing about this oven is the FlexDoor. This creates two separate ovens as the top of the oven door can open partially for access to the top part of the oven, nor it opens fully for full access to the entire oven. I loved cooking appetizers or snacks in the top oven while cooking the main meals in the bottom. Versatility. The Ninja Double Oven is loaded with features for air frying, roasting, convection bake, dehydrate, reheat, and broil, among a few others. Based on the functions you choose, the Ninja activates the heating elements and distributes the appropriate amount of airflow inside the chamber. The convection bake can get to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough heat for everyday cooking and baking, breads included. The air frying function is a game changer. I was able to cook close to 2 pounds of French fries in one go, and all cooked to a crisp and golden perfection. I was afraid frozen foods might turn soggy, but I had excellent results with frozen fries, onion rings, and even mozzarella sticks. Entertaining a bunch of teens also got easier since the pizza function worked like a charm on frozen pizza, while the top oven produced a huge tray of sheet pan nachos. Capacity and FlavorSeal. Most air fryers and countertop ovens disappoint when cooking larger quantities. Food is either soggy, unevenly cooked, or there isn't enough room to cook more quantities. But not so with the Ninja. I was impressed with how it cooked large quantities of frozen and fresh foods. I was able to roast an almost 4-pound whole chicken along with vegetables to feed 6 people for dinner. Chicken wings for a party? Easily done. Another thing to note is that although it appears that most of the food is cooking near each other, the flavors do not transfer. I made a delicate custard for creme brulee while baking fish. The aromas wafted around in the kitchen, but the dishes themselves remained true to their flavor profiles. There was no flavor or aroma transfer between the two. Buy this now. The Ninja Double Oven is efficient and versatile. From cooking everyday meals to catering to friends and family for big parties, this oven handles it all.